Hey legends, well, we've had a catastrophic failure on the Igloo, mate. The rain bloody caved her in. Have a look. She folded, mate. The rain must have pulled up in a section and dumped her in there. Shit happens, mate. What do we do now? Give us one of these. It's the Igloo, legends. Got the heater in here. Rebuild it all after the storm. Anyway, let's have a look at the temp. Should get there. We'll go around the cold side in a minute and see what that's registering. There we go, 30. Nice. Well, there she is, Mr. Heater. Warming the pool. I checked all the temps to make sure it wasn't too hot in front of the pool or any of this stuff around here, but we got a good little nice area in here for that heat. Hey legends, dressed up like an Eskimo inside the Igloo, mate. Alright, just been checking the fish water temp. Let's have a look. Got down to bloody 3 degrees, 3.3 degrees this morning. Alright, 15 in the pool. So 14 degrees is the minimum temp you want these jade perch getting down to, and silver perch alright, they can handle down to about 2 to 4 degrees. So we're in the Igloo, warming it up, the gas heater. I've already got the temp up to 15 in here, and it's 3 degrees outside at the moment with a frost, so already doing alright. And that's what the pool water is at the moment, 15. You'll see this slowly coming up with the air temp in here. There we go, legends. Put it up here where it's nice and warm. 18 degrees, 19, 20, 21. Once you get up in this upper stratosphere, she warms up. Like the heater's over there, we're up here. That's good. 23. Loving it. Anyway, let's get the top off, get the sun on this. Sun wrap the dome. Alright, sun's coming up over that way, so I leave the back portion up there, get some reflectivity off it. But that's the mission every day, legends. Whew. Anyway, that's the day started, mate. How to warm things up. We're in unforeseen territory right now, trying to keep these fish alive. But I'm hoping to get a grow out pond going, maybe even another pool. But we got to get these fish to a mature age of 2 to 3 years for them to breed. Heat up some water for this fish pond. We're doing it old school, mate. And yeah, mate, got to do what we got to do for the fish, eh? All right, legends. Air temp 24 degrees. This is the pool temp water. 21. It's been sitting out a bit. It's probably about 19, 20 in the pool at the deep end. Anyway, this is the first batch of heated water. Wow, I didn't even know what we got it up to. 42 degrees. Unwrap the veggies, keep the frost off them, mate. The veggies are powering. Give the fish a feed. Having a good old go. Silver perch here. They've been in a bit longer than the jade perch. Look at that, mate. Do a quick measure for you. Couple of silver perch, pan fried. Some micro greens.